So today we're just going to Orem. We're doing a full system, and a humidifier swap out. Yeah, it looks pretty straightforward. Just a simple swap out, 80%er. Don't have to cut any holes in the walls. I work as fast as I can and do the cleanest work I can. Usually get done at a decent time so they can actually enjoy part of their day instead of having to watch us work all day long. But yeah, just get the job done quick. So what we're doing here, folks, is we are putting a filter rack on the return drop so they can have filters. Perfect. This is where the tracing comes in. Woo-doo. Woo-doo. So my brother worked here, and he told me to come apply, and then he trained me in installs, and then it's a good place to work. Everyone's pretty cool here, and it's fun. I have fun, but yeah, it's just a great place to work.
To grab the
Hopefully I don't get any stories like that. But I probably will.
All right, everything looks good. We're gonna go grab the homeowners and give them a little walkthrough. So, this is your new humidifier. We re-hooked up your UV light. That's all working. We tied into your existing stack here with the flue. We're gonna load up this truck and get out of here.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Pleasure working for you guys.